With InVideo AI, you can turn your ideas into beautiful videos with a single prompt. And thanks to the new 3.0 engine, you can now create animated videos in amazing styles like anime, Minecraft, or Disney, helping your content shine above the rest. Plus, you can also edit videos using prompts, like switching languages and subtitles with just one command. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire creation process step by step. There's a link in the description where you can get started. InVideo AI offers a free version with basic features, but I recommend its affordable paid plans to explore and master advanced tools like generative AI. Ready to boost your AI skills? Let's jump in. I'll now guide you through the key features of InVideo AI. Many people aren't sure where to begin, but after watching this section, you'll find the inspiration you need to get started. As you can see, we are first greeted by the InVideo AI homepage. This page is designed very simply, with a results-oriented approach. As you'll notice, there's just a single prompt box here, and this is where you can generate your video. First, let me tell you about the different engines. Initially, InVideo released its first version, which worked with stock videos. Then came the second version, which could handle longer and more detailed prompts. Finally, with the latest third version, they introduced a generative media engine capable of creating highly advanced, fully animated videos from start to finish. For this exercise, we'll be using the third engine. You have two options for creating a video. The first is the free format option, where you can write a prompt however you like in the box provided. Alternatively, you can use the shortcuts you see below. Let me give you an example of one. For instance, if you select Animated Film, it opens a page where it gathers some initial details. Here, you can choose the length, select the platform you want the video to be published on, decide what kind of media you want to use, and pick options like music, subtitles, and other features through a multiple-choice interface. Once you fill this out, it generates the prompt for you. For example, if you input something specific here, it will create a prompt like this for you. So, it can be used in these two ways. If you're unsure where to start or how to write a prompt, there's a section on the left called Generative Picks that I recommend checking out. Let's explore it together. Here, you'll see different categories, and under each category, you'll find various creations. For example, entertainment, food, montage, advertising, travel, explainer videos, and more. Let's take a look at one of them. In this section, you can both watch the video and see the prompt used to create it. For instance, in this prompt, someone requested a 1-minute dessert preparation video in a film noir style, using a 60-second cinematic color palette. The result is quite impressive, as you can see. This way, you can see how a specific prompt leads to a specific video, and we can explore other examples too. Let's check out something in the entertainment category, for instance. Here's an interesting one. Let's take a look at this video and see what it's like. As we watch, let's also examine the details. As you can see, it provides quite detailed information about animals and a storyline. By exploring these, you can get inspired by the videos in this section and start creating your own projects. In the next section, we'll focus on how to craft a great prompt. Yes, let's craft our prompt together now. All we need is a prompt box and a keyboard. First, we need to specify the length of the media we want to create. Let's say 1 minute, for example. Next, we decide on the style of the media. For this case, let's go with a documentary style. Then, we should mention what the topic is about and, finally, clarify who the target audience is. In this example, let's say it's for students. So the prompt we've built so far, create a 1-minute documentary-style video about space exploration for students, is already a solid, complete prompt. But honestly, it's not all that unique or exciting yet. Let's spice it up a bit. To make it more fun, we can tailor it to the students by thinking about what they enjoy. For instance, students tend to love social media and sports content, so let's tweak it like this. Produce a 1-minute documentary-style video about space exploration, crafted for students who are hooked on social media and sports, blending dynamic visuals and a trendy vibe. This way, the video's content will feel custom-made for these students, making it more engaging and eye-catching. It'll stand out from a generic video and grab more attention. With this, we're ready to jump into the production phase. Once we kick off the production phase, the tool immediately throws a few simple questions our way. It starts by asking which type of media we'd like to use. Pretty straightforward stuff. For this, we'll go with generative media. Then it asks about the visual style. I'll pick realistic. For the background, I'll choose bright, and as the platform, I'll select YouTube. With that, we're ready to hit start. The production wraps up in just a few minutes. I quickly review the video, and from what I can see, it cleverly ties a few facts about social media and sports to space technology, creating a seamless and engaging connection. This approach makes it super easy for students who are into social media and sports to relate to the video, and, by extension, to space tech. I'm genuinely impressed by how it crafted a script that bridges these worlds so smoothly. Now let's experiment with a few tweaks. First, I'll add subtitles. All it takes is typing a quick prompt here. Let's see how the subtitles turn out.
Just because of those insane rocket launches we've been seeing, ever wonder how the tech in your pocket...
Yep, just as you can see, they're added in no time at all. We can even switch languages if we want. For example, let's try changing it to Italian and take a look.
Bella raga, Corgan qui. Ultimamente sono fissato con lo spazio, e non solo per quei lanci di razzi pazzeschi che abbiamo visto.
As you can see, the Italian version is ready with just one prompt and a couple of minutes. Pretty slick, right? For now, I'll revert the language change, and to wrap things up, I'll play the video for you from start to finish one last time.
Hey everyone, Corgan here. Lately, I've been obsessed with space, and not just for those amazing rocket launches we've seen. Have you ever wondered how the technology in your pocket connects to what's happening up there? It's mind-blowing. I've been using social media for years, and it's incredible to think how much of it comes from space technology. That GPS tagging your location in posts, directly from satellites, and those ultra-light and super strong materials in your running shoes or tennis rackets, you guessed it, space innovations. It's like living in a sci-fi movie, but it's all happening now, in our pockets and at our feet. The future is here, and it's fantastic.
If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to comment below and share where you are on your YouTube journey. Your comments mean a lot to me. They keep me motivated and help my content reach more people like you. For my next video, check out my hand-picked list of faceless YouTube niches. Perfect for your next step.